I tested 10 websites that claim to pay you daily, and what I found honestly shocked me. Because out of all 10 platforms, most of them are not what they appear to be. They look simple, they look like easy money, but when you actually start using them, you realize something important very quickly. Your time is either respected or completely wasted. In this video script, I'm going to break down everything in detail, not just the names of the websites, but exactly how each one works, how you can start using them step by step, what to expect, and the real truth behind whether you can actually make money from them or not. And I need you to stay until the end because the #1 platform is the only one I personally trust the most for beginners who want something stable and reliable without scams or confusion. Before we go into the list, let's be very clear about something important. There are thousands of videos online that promise easy daily income. They show screenshots of earnings, they show flashy dashboards, and they make everything look simple. But what they don't show you is the reality behind those earnings. They don't show you the time wasted on disqualifications, the low pay rates, the inconsistent tasks, and the frustration of trying to withdraw money only to realize you haven't even reached the minimum threshold. That is why I personally decided to test these websites myself. I created accounts, completed real tasks, and attempted withdrawals where possible. Everything you are about to hear comes from real experience, not theory. Now let's begin. We will start from the lowest earning platforms and gradually move toward the ones that actually have potential for real income. The first platform is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most well-known reward websites in the world. It allows users to earn points by completing simple tasks such as watching videos, answering surveys, and trying out offers. These points can later be converted into cash or gift cards. Step by step, here is how Swagbucks works. First, you sign up for a free account using your email. Once your account is created, you log into your dashboard where you will see different earning options. You can choose surveys, watch videos, or complete small online offers. Each task shows you how many points you will earn before you start. The idea sounds simple, but the reality is different. Most surveys take a long time to complete, and even after spending 20 to 40 minutes answering questions, you may earn only a small amount of money. In some cases, you may even get disqualified halfway through a survey after answering several questions. This makes Swagbucks feel frustrating for many users because the time invested does not match the reward. However, it is still considered legitimate, meaning it does pay real money, just not enough to rely on as a serious income source. Moving on to the next platforms, Microworkers and RapidWorkers. These two platforms operate in a very similar way, so we will discuss them together. Step by step, you begin by registering an account on either platform. Once inside, you will find a list of micro tasks posted by employers. These tasks can include things like liking a social media post, signing up on a website, writing a short comment, or testing an app. After choosing a task, you follow the instructions carefully and then submit proof, usually in the form of a screenshot or a confirmation link. Once the employer verifies your work, you get paid. The problem with these platforms is consistency. Tasks disappear very quickly because many users are competing for the same jobs. Also, the payment per task is extremely low. You may complete several tasks and still earn only a small amount that does not reflect the time spent. So while these platforms are technically real, they are not reliable for building a steady daily income. Next is Clickworker. Clickworker is slightly more structured compared to microtask sites. It focuses on data-related work such as categorizing information, entering data into systems, and helping train artificial intelligence systems. Step by step, you start by signing up and completing your profile. In some cases, you will be required to take an assessment test. This test determines the type of tasks you will qualify for. Once approved, you can start accessing available jobs. You select a task, read the instructions carefully, complete the work, and submit it for review. Payment is usually based on task completion or time spent. Clickworker is better than basic microtask sites because the work is more structured and slightly better paid. However, the availability of tasks depends heavily on your region and qualifications, so some users may see more opportunities than others. Now we move to Remotasks. Remotasks is a platform that trains artificial intelligence systems. You get paid to label images, categorize objects, and transcribe audio so that AI models can learn from human input. Step by step, you first create an account and then go through training modules. These training sessions teach you how to complete tasks correctly. After finishing training, you take a test. If you pass, you gain access to paid tasks. Each task requires accuracy, and your performance is tracked. If your accuracy drops below a certain level, you may lose access to better tasks or be restricted from the platform. While the pay is higher than basic microtask sites, it requires patience and attention to detail, making it less ideal for complete beginners looking for quick results. Now we enter freelancing platforms, starting with PeoplePerHour and Upwork. These platforms are different from everything we have discussed so far because they are skill-based marketplaces. Step by step, you begin by creating a professional profile. You add your skills, experience, and portfolio. Then you start applying for jobs by sending proposals to clients who are looking for freelancers. If a client accepts your proposal, you complete the work and get paid through the platform. The earning potential here is much higher compared to microtask websites. Some freelancers earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. However, competition is very high, especially for beginners with no experience or portfolio. Now we move to Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most beginner-friendly freelancing platforms in the world. Step by step, you create an account and set up a gig. A gig is basically a service you offer. For example, you might offer logo design, social media content creation, or AI voiceovers. Once your gig is published, buyers can find your service and place orders. You complete the work, deliver it, and get paid. The key to success on Fiverr is starting small. Many beginners set low prices at the beginning to attract their first customers. Once you get reviews and build trust, you can increase your prices and grow your income. Next is UserTesting. UserTesting is a platform where companies pay users to test websites and mobile apps. Step by step, you sign up and take a sample test to qualify. Once approved, you receive invitations to paid testing opportunities. When you accept a test, you are asked to record your screen while using a website and speak your thoughts out loud. Each test usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes and can pay around $10 per session. This makes it one of the higher-paying simple online tasks available. Finally, we arrive at the number one platform, Prolific. Prolific is a research-based platform where users participate in academic studies conducted by universities and researchers. Step by step, you sign up and complete your profile. Once approved, you start receiving study opportunities. You join a study, answer questions or complete tasks, and get paid fairly for your time. Unlike many other platforms, once you start a study, you are not disqualified halfway through. This makes it more reliable and less frustrating. Prolific is known for being transparent, fair, and consistent in payment, which is why it stands out as the best platform in this entire list. Now let's be honest. None of these websites will make you rich overnight. That is not how online income works. These platforms are entry points into the digital economy. They help you understand how online earning works, how tasks are structured, and how payments are processed. The real goal should not just be earning small amounts of money. The real goal should be using these platforms as a starting point while you develop higher income skills such as freelancing, digital marketing, content creation, or online business. If you use them correctly, they can help you earn your first online income and build confidence. But if you rely on them alone, you will stay stuck in low earnings. If you want to learn how beginners are turning simple online skills into consistent daily income beyond these platforms, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. And if you are serious about starting, comment the word START so I know you are ready to take action and begin your online journey. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead,